Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Summer Miraculous Ladybug culturefly box. After I got my shipping notification, it took about a week to get here, which was completely fine with me. Here's the little copyright message on the back of the box. It's a really pretty box, I like it a lot. So let's get on to the first item, which is our ladybug tank top. It's yellow, and personally I love yellow so much, so I was really happy to get this item in the box. No matter what I did, it seemed like my phone did not want to focus, so here I am trying to show you the little halftone dots that are shading the entire ladybug image. Since Ladybug was inspired by comic books, I'm actually really happy to see this detail on this design. Now on to our next item, which is the prodigious drink float. It's like a little floaty that I'm assuming goes in a pool. I don't have a pool, so I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, but it's pretty cute. I'm going to blow it up while I open some other items. Of course, like most of the items in this box, it was inspired by the Shanghai special of Miraculous Ladybug. So here is a vinyl figure of the main hero from the Shanghai special, Lady Dragon. The box says Ren Ren figure, but it's just Lady Dragon. It's a pretty cool figure. It feels a little bit fragile. Not fragile as in like if you drop it, it would break. Well, actually the base did break off, but it's just like, you know, it's a little standy. You should always be careful with vinyl figures. Here she is up close. My phone still won't actually focus on it, but I hope you can see her well enough. She looks pretty much exactly like the movie, which is good. I wish she had a pose, but it is what it is. Okay, so this floaty thing was not hard to blow up at all. It only took like 2 breaths. It was pretty good. The figure can actually fit inside, which I found to be really cute. You saw the base fall apart there. I might glue that on later. Anyway, moving on to the next item, which is a really cute Ren Ren water bottle, or Renling water bottle? I forgot what they're called, but there's a bunch of characters from the new Miraculous World special. They look like they're stickers on the bottle, but you can't actually take them off. I'm not too sure if these are dishwasher safe, but I really wouldn't risk it, so I think I'll be hand washing this one. The water bottle doesn't actually fit in the drink float. I just thought I'd try it. It seems like it's actually meant for more like plastic cups, solo cups, things like that. Now onto the smaller little joys of the box. I got this little acrylic prodigious pin. Make sure you peel off the protective coating so that it's all shiny. Now to like my second favorite item in this entire box. The little, you could see here, it's the box that comes from Marinette's parents' bakery. And inside there are tiny macaron erasers. They're really cute actually, and you can kind of like, you can take them apart. Like, you know those erasers that you get at book fairs? They come apart like those. I don't know how they work as erasers yet. Unfortunately, I write with pens, so I might never know. But they're really cute, and I think I'm going to display them as decoration. Now, last but not least, my favorite item from this box. It is the Tiki planter, aka the pencil holder. It's just Tiki's head as a planter. It's a ceramic thing. It's really, I don't know if it's durable. I'm not gonna try to test it because I don't want to break it, but I love it so much. Now, I already have a pen and pencils holder, and it's also not a huge hole on top, so I was thinking I would use it to hold some sewing notions instead. So here's a cheat sheet that tells you everything that was inside the box, and here is the actual inside of the box. It's really pretty, and the box is super high quality and durable. It's really good for storage. I forgot to film an actual outro video, so here's just a picture of me in cosplay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video and want to see more unboxing in the future. Thanks, bye!